So here's a quick warning that there's going to be some bright lights during this video. Here's a real quick welding video from the last couple of days. This is the AWS D1.1 SMAW 3G uphill test. So this welding certification qualifies a welder to weld flat, horizontal, vertical, 1G, 2G, or 3G positions, and also includes the 1F and 2F and 3F positions without having to take those tests. So this is what the blueprint looks like for the weld test. I took some close-up pictures so you can actually see what needs to be done for this test too. So you have 2 plates that form a butt joint. The metal thickness is 3/8 inch, and you need to bevel the plates each 22.5 degrees, so it's a 45-degree bevel. You have to cut the plates 3 inches each, 3 inches wide each, and a length of 7 inches each. And there will also be a backing plate. So the backing plate has to be a minimum of 1/4 inch to a maximum of 3/8 inch. And the width of the backing plate should be 1 inch minimum. So here's my first pass of the test. The first pass is called the root pass, and I did a weave for my root pass. So here is the second pass, and I also did a weave for this one. Here's a third pass. This is another weave. So once you fill up the gap so that it's flush with the rest of the plate, that's when you do a cover pass. For my cover pass, I did stringer beads. So the difference between a stringer bead and a weave is a weave, you're just kind of going back and forth from one side of the bevel to the other side of the bevel. And with stringer beads, it's just like a straight line going up. I ended up doing 5 total stringer beads to finish off the cap. So here's the finished result. Wish I had a better picture because it definitely looks better in person. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. The beads look nice and straight. So what's left for the test is that I have to cut these into 1.5 inch sections, then grind down the walled face. Then we're going to bend them and see if they break.